getting up to in the festive season? I am going to be in full auntie duty, number one, because all my nieces and nephews have missed me a lot. I travel too much, so I didn't get to spend time with them during their school holidays. So December, everyone has already apparently packed their bags and waiting for me to get to Durban, and then we go to our holiday home and we just have a blast. So everyone's getting gifts. I'm just going to be in sweats and a t-shirt, and that's it. That's just going to be me. Whew, my wish for 2018. Probably to start. I think I have so many ideas in my head, and I have so many wishes and dreams and aspirations, but there's this fear that always kind of just blocks my way, or I allow to block my way. So 2018 is about starting, whether we fail or whether we win. Ooh, my advice for women going into the new year. Number one, I hope that we are kinder towards each other. 2017 was just a realization of how incredible we are when we come together and we support each other. But then you see the little things that happen and we are unkind to each other. So 2018 for me, my wish for women is to be very, very kind towards each other, because we are all we have. We are all we have. So can we just have an amazing sisterhood, and can we be each other's safe spaces to be who we want to be, knowing that women will accept us, or the girlfriend next to us will accept us for who we are. And number two, the world is our oyster. We can be, and we already are, every single thing that is amazing, that is phenomenal, that is incredible, that is groundbreaking. My wish for you for 2018 is that you too start. That new job, that old job, delete, control, that one, get rid of, and you start a new job. My wish for you is that you have the courage to just begin. And that business, who knows? So go, start.